Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to teach you with the Xbox One or the Xbox Series console on how to exit a game properly. For example, this PUBG game, we are going to exit this one. So in your controller, you just press that thing, the X, the white thing, then go down to the game that you want to exit, for example that left pane there showing on the screen on the television, and press this little, that one, press that one, and then it will, this will show up this window, and just go down further. You can see there down the quit, that one. So select that one by pressing the A. So there you go. Just very basic, but also very important to do from time to time, every time you exit the game, in order to avoid damage to your hard drive. So that's basically it, and so very important. Another thing that I'm going to teach you is on how to properly shut down the console, the Xbox series or Xbox One, for example this one. So just go to the pane there, that one, and then as you can see on the screen, and then go down, should go down there, as you can see. So that one, just press that one, select that one by pressing the A on your controller. Then you can go up. There are three selections here that you can do. You can turn off the controller, you can turn off the console, or you can restart. So if you want to turn completely off your console, so that one, you select that one. That is on how to turn your console off, so to make it safe. So these are important, very basic steps that you should know by now. If you have not known it, and you have this controller, this console, the Xbox One or the Xbox Series, so you need to do that from time to time. Every time you play, you stop a game, and you turn off your console or your Xbox One, so to avoid damage with your gadgets. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much.